guys, what's going on? It's T-Carp. My daughter is taking the video. I've got another daughter here with me. Come on over here and I'll show you. Come on over here and I'll show you what we've got. So what we've got here laid out is the squirrel. So what we need to do before we do anything
is cut it.
That's exactly right. So we're gonna.
So we got a gallon of milk.
It's not a gallon, but a little.
And the other bowl, this bowl, we have some powder.
Yep, it's
Or
flour.
Yes, flour.
And then some seasoning.
So we're gonna put some seasoning.
And it's gonna cut some seasoning into it. Okay.
This is my dad's face.
Take your piece. Dip it in the milk.
Put it in the sugar.
No, this isn't sugar. What is this?
Flour. You put it in the flour.
That's right.
Cover it all up. Then you put it on the pan, I guess.
Yep, and you put it in the pan. You ready?
Can I try?
Just show the pan. Show the people the pan. Ready?
Ready?
Ready? Yep. Easy, easy. All right, kids, we're gonna try this. So we've got our fried squirrel and squirrel gravy, fried squirrel and squirrel gravy. Try it, see, let me know what you think.
I already tasted this, so we're gonna try to taste this. Ah, hot.
A little hot?
Yeah.
That's the bone.
Bone. Wait. Like this?
Yep.
Is this the bone?
You like it?
Is this the bone?
Some of it is. Try it, see what you think. That's the bone. Try that.
Is it hard?
That's the meat.
Like.
You like it? All right, good stuff.